So we finally made it into Yukon, and this is a Yukon suspension bridge. We finally made it to Yukon Suspension Bridge, and we're gonna get to know the place. And this tour is self-guided. There's a small museum, some information, then you go on to the suspension bridge. They've been here since 2006. Oh, this is just wonderful. Beautiful, just beautiful. All along the walk paths and viewing platforms at the Yukon Suspension Bridge, you're going to find plenty of information on the history of the Yukon and its early settlers during the Klondike Gold Rush. The viewing platforms give a spectacular, breathtaking view of the Tushai River and mountains. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell for future videos. The bridge is 200 feet long and sits 65 feet above the Tushai River Canyon. The walk across the bridge with its surrounding nature views is an experience we will always remember.